Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a video on a review of the platform InVideo.io. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So what is InVideo.io? Simply put, InVideo.io is a platform that allows you to create videos without having to do anything. You simply type in text prompts and your video is created for you, and you can easily edit them. One of the reasons I love InVideo.io is because you don't actually have to do any work for the creation of your video. All you can do with their AI software is just type what you're looking for, like make me a video on the best places to visit in France. Click enter, and their AI tool will basically create the whole video for you. So InVideo AI is super cool for that because they can make a video using just your text. You just type your speech or ask them to make a script, and there you go. A video is made for you. It's one of the cleanest software I've used out there, and it barely makes any mistakes. If you want to change anything, you can just command it, and it will tweak the video itself. Another reason people love InVideo is because of the variety of templates they offer. While the editing software itself is great, it's the extensive library of templates that really stands out. Typically, with most editing tools, you have to upload your video and do all the editing manually. However, with InVideo, it's different. You can choose from a wide range of stock media or head over to their template section. For instance, if you're looking to create a top 5 tips video, you can simply search for a template that matches, and all you need to do is swap out the background images and adjust the text. The font and layout are already set up, making the process incredibly easy without you having to do anything. One of the other things that makes InVideo pretty cool in comparison to its competitors is their unique price point. It's actually very affordable. You can get a 7-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it, so you can try it for 7 days. Essentially, if you pay yearly, you can get it for $15 a month, which is super cheap compared to other software that can do the same thing. If you want unlimited videos, you have to pay around $30, but you can try both of them out and see which one works for you. Essentially, it's super cheap for the AI software and the editing software, so it's not just one thing that you get with this subscription plan. You kind of get both, which is pretty affordable if you're someone who makes a lot of videos, and it'll save you a lot of time. You might consider buying it. You can get watermark-free videos. Another thing I love about InVideo is their support time. You can get a response within less than a minute, to be exact. What does the actual software look like? You basically type what you're looking for. Gender, accent, title. Do you want subtitles? What do you want the subtitles to look like? Do you want stock media? And then you just type what you're looking for. So if I'm asking them to make me a video on the best places to visit, it will do exactly that. And what you're seeing on the screen right now is something InVideo AI made with just the prompt of making me an ad. It's basically, as it says, your AI co-pilot for video creation. It's free, so if you want to try it out, you're free to do so. But if you want more than 10 minutes of video creation, you'll need the Plus account, which is $20 a month, or the Max account, which is around $48 a month. That's the yearly plan. If you opt for the monthly plan, which you can cancel at any time of the year, the Plus will cost you $25 and the Max will cost you $60. You can click on Compare to see what exactly each package brings and find the best one suited to you and your use. InVideo.io is completely user-friendly. It's super easy. I've made so many videos using InVideo.io. It's super easy to use, super quick, and it gives you so many videos so quickly. There are so many people that have given amazing reviews about it. Must-have marketing tool, fun and easy video creation software, video app of my dreams. Honestly, me too. Ever since I found InVideo.io, I cannot stop using it. So, there you have it. A quick overview of why InVideo.io is such a great choice for creating amazing videos without having to do anything. If you think this could be useful for you, check it out and start creating awesome videos. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a like, share it with someone who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.